A bag of M&Ms is 6 red, 3 green, 4 blue, and 8 yellow M&Ms. If you reach into the bag and remove 2 M&Ms, one after the next, without replacement, what is the probability that both M&Ms in your hand are yellow? Express your answer as a simplified fraction. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how many M&Ms total in the bag. And if we add these up, we get 21. So there are 21 M&Ms. So to reach in and get a yellow first, there are 8 yellows out of 21. Now without replacement, if we keep that yellow in our hand and then go after another yellow, now there's only 7 yellows and 20 total. This is an AND probability, so we multiply. And now we just need to express our answer as a simplified fraction. In this case, I would reduce. So you divide by 4, and then multiply, giving us 2/15. But know your calculator well. If you need to reduce with your calculator, that's just what's so. The 2/15 is the simplified fraction. I hope this helps.